Yeah, what was the question given here? Y is equals to e power of x minus tan x by x power of n plus cot x. We need to find dy by dx, right? So let us see how to find this one. What is given? Y is nothing but e power of x minus this is tan x by this is x power of n plus this will be cot x, right? If you look into the problem, this is obviously in the form of u by v. What is this? This is a quotient rule. What is a quotient rule? If you want to find the derivative of u by v, we know the formula v u dash minus u v dash by v square. I'll be applying the same formula in our case also. So if I differentiate this function with respect to x on both the sides, what I'll be getting here? Y dash is equals to v. What is v? X power of n plus this will be cot x into numerator, that is e power of x minus tan x the whole derivative, minus u is nothing but numerator, e power of x minus tan x into v. What is v? X power of n plus cot x the whole derivative by what is this? This is nothing but v square, that is x power of n, this will be cot x the whole square. Is it okay? Now let us see how to differentiate this function. Y dash is equals to, first term nothing I can do, let me write it down, x power of n plus this is cot x into what is this? E power of x. We already know what is e power of x derivative. It will be simply e power of x alone. What is tan x derivative? We know that it is a secant square of x. So this is a formula. If you want to do the problems in differentiation, first of all you have to thorough of the formulas. Is it okay? Yes, go through the formulas and it should be very thoroughly prepared. Now let us move on. This will be e power of x will be as it is minus this will be tan x into what is x power of n derivative? N into x power of n minus 1. This is the definition. Is it okay? And we already know that what is cot x derivative? Minus cosecant square x by what is the denominator here? Denominator will be x power of n plus this is cot x the whole square. Is it okay? I think so, no doubts in this, right? So what should we do? If you want, you can simply multiply. If not, means you can stop up to here. Okay. So let us multiply. Let us see what we will be getting. What is y dash? X power of n into e power of x minus x power of n into secant square of x. What I have done simply, first term I'll be multiplying with this two. Product of two binomials. So now what I will do, I'll multiply this with this and this with this. Is it okay? So what it will be? Plus e power of x into cot x minus cot x into secant square of x. Is it okay? Minus. The same thing we need to apply. First of all, e power of x we need to multiply with this and we'll be doing tan x with this and this. Is it okay? Let us continue. So from this what I will be getting here? Yeah. Sorry, I have zoomed long. Let us continue. I think this is sufficient. This is bracket open e power of x into n into x power of n minus 1 minus e power of x into this will be cosecant square of x minus inside the bracket only. Okay, tan x into n into x power of n minus 1. This will be minus minus plus. This is nothing but tan x into cosecant square x. Is it okay? The whole thing you need to divide by what? Denominator, that is x power of n plus this is cot x the whole square. See, maybe in some books they can stop up to here or they can give the options as in this format also, but in some books if they ask you to solve for further, this is the way of doing. Is it okay? Now let us continue. This is x power of n into e power of x minus x power of n into this is secant square of x plus e power of x into this will be cot x minus cot means what? Cos by sine. Secant means what? 1 by cos. You can solve this for further. This is cot x into secant square of x. If I multiply minus e power of x into n into x power of n minus 1 plus e power of x into cosecant square x. Again it will be plus. We will be having tan x into n into x power of n minus 1 minus